What's up, guys? Bingo! Yo, it tag. This is Cushy. I'm Ahmad, and we are the Food Heroes. And we're playing another game of hide and go seafood it. Seafood it in your mouth. How are you?
Why is it shaking? I'm good. Something is shaking.
Are you feeling hungry?
Oh, I'm so hungry. Look at this spread, guys. Welcome
amazing.
to our channel. We're so happy to see you. Hope everyone is doing great. We're super hungry.
Everything's good to go?
I think so.
There's no earthquakes or anything?
Why is it shaking? Don't you think it's shaking?
It's not shaking.
Something is shaking.
No, I think it's you. Don't do this right now.
Okay. All right. Well, let us know, guys, if we are shaky a little.
All right. So now let's do a little explanation Q&A. Can you scoot over to the right a little bit?
Sure.
Space there.
Okay, guys,
Right,
logistics.
So it looks like we have some Caesar salad. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay.
It's grilled. The
Lasagna.
leaves are put on the grill, actually. Lasagna with
And,
meat lasagna.
What's this over
This
here?
is seafood paella,
She loves paella.
Italian style.
Italian
It's with
style.
angel hair, no rice.
And,
Let me bring it closer so you guys
also
can
today
see
we
it.
had
Look at this deliciousness. Amma, you wanna bring the lasagna?
also today I published an Italian food facts short.
Amazing.
So I guess it's an Italian day.
Perfect.
It just kind of worked out like that. All right, so
And
enough
this
talk.
is, they just gave a medley of vegetables.
Yeah.
They're delicious. I don't know why they gave it to us.
So enough talk. We're gonna eat with utensils today, and we're gonna get started.
I'm starting
So
with lasagna.
cheers to you guys.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. And give them the first bite.
All right, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
It's a strawberry lemon lemonade. Yum. All right, I'm gonna go dip into lasagna. It's so good.
Yes.
All right, let's try it.
That's not lasagna. That's paella.
Oh, paella. Oh, excuse me.
All right. So mi scusi.
It's delicious.
All right. So you can shake the table
Shrimp
a little
for
bit
you.
because.
How's lasagna? Yummy?
It shut me up.
Let me eat it so you can
Oh, it's
shut
got a
up
little-
too.
It's got a little spice to it.
I ate it. I ate chili flakes, babe.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that was you.
Oh, lasagna, guys.
Cushy
That is the
seasoning.
one dish that I suck at making. I tried it so many times and my lasagna is never good.
You need an Italian mother to show you. Watch this. Ooh, yeah.
Oh wow, it's spicy. So good. Well, happy Tuesday, everyone. It's Tuesday over here. We had a long day with lots of errands, so we deserve a treat.
There you go. It's no mystery.
This Caesar is delicious.
So
One
there
of my
guy-
favorite Caesars.
So was there one guy that was saying I pronounced chufa wrong. Like, how are you supposed
So
to
I don't
pronounce
know. That's why I asked him. I thought it's chufa rice.
it? He spelled it chufa and then chofa. Like, what's
Hey,
it?
so maybe
Chufa.
chofa? Chaufa?
No, that's stupid. It's chufa rice. Chofa.
Chofa?
Chofa,
Chofa,
right?
maybe. Chofa. A-U. It's spelled as
So
chofa.
guys, we don't mind your comments, positive or negative, but like if you're gonna correspond,
Let us
at
know
least
the
reply.
correct way.
Like we ask you a question, like reply back. Don't just like troll and leave your little negative comments because you're pissy. Like,
No,
okay.
maybe it wasn't negative. Maybe he just wanted to let us know that.
Yeah, but at the same time, like reply, you know. Like tell us how to say it.
So check out our Peruvian chicken video. There was a chofa rice. Chufa rice. I don't
Chufa.
know.
I'm gonna say chufa.
I mean, it's close.
When I said chufa at the store, they understood what I was talking about. They didn't correct me. I said chufa rice. You said, yeah.
Grilled shrimp with Caesar.
What are these flakes?
Parmesan cheese.
It's Parma?
Just take the whole little bit.
Yeah, see. This is another hand thing. Oh wow, that's all the leaves. That's all the Parma. Hey, you gotta get some of this too. Pull the mic up so we can get that crunch in there. Crunch it.
Is it for me?
Yeah, crunch it.
All right.
Oh, crunchy.
Yummy.
Come here, girls.
So good.
Come here.
So good,
Sit
guys.
down. Sit. You stay right there.
So this seafood
Relax.
paella has fish, it has shrimp, it has mussels, it has clams, it has potatoes. I don't think it has what it's called. Koki sanjak, the scallops. I don't think it has it.
That's potato.
No fish.
I just say potato. It's a fish?
It's fish, yeah.
It's a camouflage fish.
Clams.
A fish that can disguise itself as potatoes. That's so interesting. Mother Nature is amazing. All these anomalies. He's a camouflage fish.
I think, you guys, I'm gonna record a video how I'm making lasagna and hopefully it will turn out well. I will watch a bunch of
Are we
YouTube
just gonna
videos.
swap plates, or am I gonna reach across you?
Go ahead.
We're gonna watch a bunch of videos about what?
How to make lasagna. And then I'm gonna record a video making lasagna. I wanna see how it tastes. I mean, it's basically baking ground beef and pork and like ricotta cheese and cheese in a pasta sheet. But I don't know why I'm so bad at it.
Interesting concept. Maybe he's just bad with pasta sheets. If you sleep in pasta sheets at night,
No,
you
I
get
think
accustomed to being around them, and you automatically know how to work with pasta sheets
okay.
on top of under the quilt.
All right.
Inquiring minds would like to know.
Did you guys notice we changed the setup?
Nah, I don't think they noticed at all.
We are moving around the house,
I'm trying to keep it interesting, you know.
exploring the best angles.
So you know your mom comments on a few videos or shorts,
Yeah.
and you didn't reply to her. You might want to do that before she feels some type of way.
Oh, I will.
Come sit there.
Where is the salad? Where is salad? Like, my mom is our biggest fan.
Mom.
Скажи, мама. Скажи, мама, вот салат.
Mama.
Вот салат.
Вот salad.
Хрум-хрум.
It's healthy. Krum krum. Давай. Хорошо.
This is so good, guys. It's delicious.
Let's do some of this medley that they threw in.
So good. Don't mix them like that.
Oh, shit.
Just eat it
My
separately.
bad. I'm sorry.
I don't
thought
like
it was my
mixing
plate.
stuff.
No, hold on. Yeah, let's just kind of shoot it together.
Yeah.
Sorry. She almost had a fit.
I have a friend, Omida, too, she likes to mix everything.
No, that's just like really shitty.
And some
too.
flavors don't go together. Like mixing buckwheat with fried rice.
I thought it was my plate. I'm sorry.
It's not your plate.
Well, I
Sharing
thought it
is
was.
caring. Thank you. I think it's too much meat in lasagna than pasta. You just want to set me, huh? Well, guys, it's getting warmer outside. I don't like it. I like it to be cold. Ahmad loves it.
Yeah, I like this weather, the spring weather. It's a good thing though because it's not very cold in February.
Yeah.
That's a good sign. I think the last 2 years, especially during the pandemic,
It's
it was just cold all the damn time.
Yes, that was my type of weather, guys. I like it cold and refreshing.
You need to move to what's the name of the
Alaska.
place? No, Yukta.
Oh,
Something,
Yakutia.
Russia? Yakutia. Somebody correct me on that too. I know it's coming. Bruh, it's not Yukta, it's Yakutia. Spell it in Cyrillic then. Yeah, what? What?
But you know why I don't like warm weather? Because I'm like, I don't want mosquitoes.
Oh yeah. Mosquitoes don't do the cold.
I don't do well with, and I don't do mosquitoes. So, and mosquitoes are brutal, guys.
My bad. Did I get some on the plate?
No.
You got scared?
Yeah.
That was gonna go all over the
Why
place.
does it always happen? So the juice goes into another hole?
I think it was Parma flake or something. Maybe I just need to slow down. I get excited sometimes when I eat. I like inhale my food.
Oh, he bit his lip.
Not today. Oh, shit. Tastes like bologna.
The worst part with biting the lip, once you bite it, you always bite the same spot, right?
Yeah.
If you bit like...
I hate biting my lip. It sucks. Then you get mad at yourself. You get mad.
Oh, did you guys also
It
know
hurts.
if you get like bigger, you tend to bite your lips more. You tend to bite your cheeks more.
Oh, you mean more weight?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
because like, and I think I felt it on me, like when I get bigger, like I bite my cheeks more because your face gets bigger and like, I guess your cheeks get bigger and they press in.
Like this.
We're recording still, okay?
I was trying to bite your cheek.
No.
Your cheek. Look at that cheek. It's so biteable. Do you want to bite my cheek?
Yeah, guys, I have big cheeks.
You want to bite my cheek?
No, they're hairy. Like,
Bite my cheek.
they're gonna be stuck in my teeth.
Nah, it's like seasoning. Sprinkle.
Alright, guys. This is my favorite lettuce grill. What? Romaine lettuce
Lettuce what?
on the grill.
Lettuce. Grilled lettuce. All right, guys. This is my favorite
Fucker.
buddy, Mr. Clam Pete. Oh yeah, off the grill.
Why are you giving everyone Pete name? You have something
I'm
with
just
Pete?
messing with you.
Huh?
I'm just messing with you.
Something was significant with Pete?
Nah, I figured I named the grill Pete, so I was being facetious. You know, Cinderella Pete, Clam Pete.
Yeah, it's gonna be stuck. Cinderella Pete is gonna be the name of our air fryer.
No, it is.
This
This
is
thing
delicious.
goes finally settled down.
We are finishing it, guys. I finished my job at 8:05 p.m. I was pretty tired, but now I feel better.
So you'll sleep good tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell us how you feel.
I feel happy.
I thought she was speechless for a second.
I feel happy. I feel satisfied. This is truly delicious, but light, right? It's not that heavy. It doesn't feel heavy.
No.
I'm gonna finish this. Sorry, babe. Oh, there's one left for you.
Oh, great. It's the baby.
Delicious.
Yeah, that medley's not that impressive now.
I mean, it's nice on its own.
Yeah, but I'll leave it over there. No man's land. You're okay over there by yourself, right? Sorry,
It's
buddy.
wedges, babe. It's good for you. They're good for you.
I just had a whole chicken salad.
Like dipped in a cedar dressing.
Yeah. With titanium dioxide for color.
Well, I guess, guys, we will slowly wrap it up. We finished most of the dish. It was a wonderful Tuesday. I hope everyone had a great Tuesday. Thank you for joining us. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like our videos, share them with your friends and family. Comment, let us know how to pronounce lasagna,
And chofa.
chofa, vegetable medley.
Chofa peak.
And yeah, so let's stay connected, let's eat together, let's watch each other eat.
Yep. And hit the subscribe button, share, tell people about us. So cheers.
Cheers, guys. See you in the next
Until
video.
next time.
Until the
This
next
is
time.
Kushi. I'm Ahmad.
I'm Mushi.
We're the food heroes.
Food heroes.
Dun, 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 dun.